New breakthrough in healthcare. Sanwai cough, bronchitis, and asthma patch, a perfect solution from Japan. The product is researched and manufactured according to Japanese medical standards to help relieve symptoms of flu, cough, bronchitis, and asthma. When you use it, you will immediately feel the lightness and coolness of the patch. With the Sanwai patch, you can confidently move and continue your daily life without having to worry about coughs or shortness of breath. Each box contains 10 stickers, convenient for you to carry with you wherever you go. In particular, the product's combination of natural ingredients helps strengthen your immune system. At the same time, it soothes and reduces coughs, avoiding difficult breathing situations caused by bronchitis and pneumonia. Quickly test the product to protect your family's health.